Hey everybody, I have something new to show you. You may be able to hear it just barely. It's really quiet. Notice anything different? In fact, it says it right there. Super quiet. Yes, my 1997 RGPH Rheem furnace is gone. Been replaced by this new RGPR Rheem Prestige Series Super Quiet 82 stage. It was actually manufactured in 2009, but not taken out of the box until just recently. It was a very good find, about the last one I think that was remaining anywhere that was still new. But I got it installed and was not hard. I just had to raise the coil up half an inch, remove the B vent, and just slide the old furnace out and slide that one back in, drop it back down, and the gas and electric just fell right back into place perfectly. My longtime viewers will remember I had some long distance assistance from my good friend Fritz. He helped me work all that out and get it up to code and looking good, condensate drain. But the new furnace is great. I had no problem with that old one. It was very reliable, but it just was noisy and oversized. That's all I can say about it. It was very reliable, never gave me any trouble, but it was just noisy and oversized. Kept me awake at night because it's just right outside my bedrooms here. Anyway, this one is so quiet. It never wakes me up. In fact, it makes me sleep good because it runs a lot and it's real quiet. It's like white noise in the background. So anyway, without further ado, I will roll the startup video of the furnace, and we'll give you some more details on how it runs. I also wanted to mention, you may have seen this in my video a few days ago about the install of the Honeywell 5-inch pleated media filter. I did continue using it with the new furnace. It was no problem, because the cabinets are just, they're exactly the same, so it sat right back in place. And of course I have the new bar type return grills on all 3 sides with no filters like I do. But I had filters in the filter grills before, but I was just using the Rheem factory filter then, so that was okay. But I wouldn't want to double filter this setup, because you don't need to with that media filter. It does such a good job, there's no need for double filtering. Anyway, I just wanted to mention that. And I've also replaced all of my old stamp registers with these new high flow type. They're very, very free flowing. They lowered my static quite a bit. I show that in my video about the media filter, but everything's good. I've got it like I want it now. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Over and out.